ऐश्वर्या राय की प्रेगनेंसी को लेकर पब्लिक में तो बहुत खुशी है, बहुत एक्साइटमेंट है, लेकिन इंडस्ट्री में कुछ ऐसा पॉइंट उठ गया है कि लोग प्रोड्यूसर्स ये सोचने पर मजबूर हो गए हैं कि क्या उन्हें अपने एग्रीमेंट्स में, स्टार्स के साथ जो एग्रीमेंट होते हैं, क्या उन्हें उस एग्रीमेंट में एक क्लॉज ऐसा भी डालना चाहिए कि यू आर नॉट अलाउड टू गेट प्रेग्नेंट ड्यूरिंग द मेकिंग ऑफ द फिल्म, यू आर नॉट अलाउड टू गेट मैरिड और whatever, but mainly about the pregnancy. Because as you all know, Aishwarya Rai Bachchan was acting in Heroine, Madhur Bhandarkar and UTV's Heroine, which film has had to be stalled because of her pregnancy. Now you might say that there are many actresses who have worked during their early months of pregnancy or even the latter months of pregnancy, so why not Aishwarya Rai? But you see, Madhur Bhandarkar knows it better than all of us do. Obviously, common sense says that since it's a film which is titled Heroine, the heroine has to look absolutely in shape, sexy, very appealing, very glamorous, and a pregnant woman can't look that, So probably that's why they have stalled the film. Whether it will be revived or made once Aishwarya Rai Bachchan is through her pregnancy, through her delivery and back in shape, one doesn't know. UTV and Madhur Bhandarkar also probably do not know. But coming to the point of the clause of pregnancy, what they feel is that had there been this clause of pregnancy, probably Aishwarya Rai Bachchan would not have gotten pregnant, or if she got pregnant, she would have to pay damages to UTV and to the producers. But yes, in Hollywood they have such clauses. In India, they rarely have agreements. What to talk about clauses? हाँ, कॉर्पोरेटाइजेशन के बाद डेफिनेटली एग्रीमेंट्स बनने लगे हैं कॉर्पोरेट प्रोडक्शन हाउस एंड एक्टर के बीच में, बट this kind of a radical change जहां पर ऐसा clause होगा कि you can't get pregnant and all is too much for the Indian actors to consume all together and all of a sudden. It will happen with corporatization. जो agreements कभी बनते नहीं थे, अब agreements बन रहे हैं, तो ये बातें भी आएगी because every production house, every corporate would like to safeguard its own interest and पैसे बहुत लगते हैं. अब UTV और मधुर भंडारकर को भी 2-4 करोड़ का नुकसान तो हुआ ही होगा इस फिल्म में, which means we're talking about 20 to 40 million rupees. But of course, you can expect that Aishwarya Rai would return her signing amount because the cause of the stalling of the film is Aishwarya Rai herself. So one doesn't expect her not to return her signing amount. But उसके अलावा भी UTV मधुर भंडारकर का खर्चा तो हुआ ही है, हीरो साइन हुआ, कैरेक्टर एक्टर साइन हुए, शूटिंग हुई थी 4-5 दिनों की, तो खर्चा तो हुआ ही है. That probably will have to be borne by UTV. And therefore, the pregnancy clause, although it may be a welcome change and it may be the need of the hour, but it's not going to happen so soon. And you can't expect producers and actors to change overnight. बदलाव जब भी आता है phases में आता है, इतना सडन नहीं हो सकता है. मान तो अब हम एग्रीमेंट्स बनाने लगे हैं, अब एग्रीमेंट में इतना कठोर क्लॉज, इसके लिए कुछ टाइम लगेगा. हाँ होगा, बट इट विल टेक टाइम.